From giant flying fortresses to pancake-shaped aircraft and wingless machines that somehow defy gravity, the world of RC aviation is far stranger than most people realize. While most remote-controlled planes are built to look realistic, a few are inspired by some of the boldest and most unconventional aircraft ever designed. These incredible creations prove that when imagination meets engineering, almost anything can fly. In today's video, we're counting down the weirdest RC planes you've ever seen. You'll discover bizarre flying machines with rotating wings, asymmetrical designs, spinning cylinder lift systems, and even a lawnmower that performs aerobatics. Every model on this list is based on a real aircraft or a brilliant engineering concept brought to life by talented RC builders. Buckle up, because these unbelievable RC planes will leave you wondering how they ever got off the ground. Kalinin K-7 RC Replica. The Kalinin K-7 RC Replica is one of those RC planes that immediately grabs attention with its massive flying wing design and unusual twin-boom layout. Inspired by the legendary 1933 Soviet experimental aircraft, this replica stays true to the original's iconic silhouette, making it a real conversation starter at any flying field. Depending on the builder, it typically features lightweight balsa or foam construction, multiple electric motors to mimic the full-scale aircraft's 7-engine appearance, and functional control surfaces for stable flight. Despite its intimidating size, experienced RC pilots often praise its surprisingly smooth handling. If you're looking for an RC aircraft that's rare, historic, and guaranteed to stand out, the Kalinin K-7 RC Replica is an unforgettable choice. Vought V173 Flying Pancake. The Vought V173 Flying Pancake RC Replica is one of the most fascinating RC aircraft you can own, thanks to its unmistakable circular wing design and aviation history. Modeled after the experimental aircraft that inspired the XF-5U, this replica captures the original's unique look while delivering surprisingly stable flight characteristics. Most versions feature lightweight foam or balsa construction, brushless electric power, and responsive elephant controls for smooth maneuvering. Its broad wing provides excellent lift, making slow-speed flights both easy and enjoyable for experienced RC pilots. Whether you're a fan of rare aircraft or simply want something unlike anything else at the flying field, this Flying Pancake replica is guaranteed to turn heads. Magnus Effect RC Aircraft. The Magnus Effect RC aircraft is one of the most unusual flying machines you'll ever see. Instead of relying on traditional wings, it generates lift using rapidly spinning cylinders that create the Magnus effect, making it look like physics is bending the rules. Most RC builds feature a lightweight foam or carbon fiber frame, brushless motors for both propulsion and cylinder rotation, plus simple rudder or elevon controls. Flying one takes patience, but once properly tuned, it demonstrates smooth, controlled flight unlike any conventional RC plane. It's less about speed and more about showcasing innovative aerodynamics. For aviation enthusiasts, this aircraft is a fascinating blend of engineering, experimentation, and pure flying fun. Flying Lawn Mower RC Plane. The Flying Lawn Mower RC Plane proves that almost anything can fly with enough creativity and engineering. Designed to resemble an ordinary lawnmower, this novelty aircraft hides a fully functional RC airframe beneath its humorous appearance. Most scratch-built versions use lightweight balsa or foam construction, a brushless electric motor, standard 4-channel radio control, and oversized control surfaces for stable handling. While it may look like a backyard joke, many pilots are surprised by its smooth takeoffs, gentle cruising, and capable aerobatics. It's the perfect conversation starter at any RC flying event, combining fun, craftsmanship, and solid flight performance into one unforgettable model that never fails to entertain spectators. RC Wing and Ground WIG Craft. The RC Wing and Ground WIG Craft offers a flying experience unlike any conventional RC airplane. Instead of climbing high into the sky, it glides just inches above water or smooth ground, taking advantage of the ground effect to generate extra lift while reducing drag. Most hobby versions feature lightweight foam construction, a pusher brushless motor, LiPo battery power, and broad, low aspect ratio wings for maximum stability. When properly trimmed, the craft delivers smooth, fast, and incredibly efficient low-level flight that almost feels like it's floating on air. It's a rewarding project for experienced RC enthusiasts who enjoy unique aerodynamics and innovative aircraft designs that stand out from traditional models. LTV XC-142 RC Tilt-Wing. The LTV XC-142 RC Tilt-Wing is an impressive model that brings one of aviation's most ambitious VTOL experiments to life. Inspired by the legendary military transport prototype, this RC aircraft can transition from vertical takeoff to forward flight, delivering an experience few fixed-wing models can match. Many versions feature a lightweight EPO foam airframe, 4 brushless motors, an additional tail motor for pitch control, a pre-programmed flight controller, and a wingspan of around 1,200 millimeters. The automated transition system makes this complex aircraft surprisingly manageable for experienced RC pilots. If you're looking for a unique RC plane that combines innovation, engineering, and thrilling flight performance, the XC-142 is a remarkable choice. Rutan Boomerang RC. The Rutan Boomerang RC is a remarkable model that celebrates one of the most unconventional aircraft ever designed. Inspired by Burt Rutan's asymmetrical twin-engine airplane, this RC replica stands out with its offset fuselage and distinctive wing layout. Most custom-built versions feature lightweight balsa or composite construction, twin brushless electric motors, LiPo battery power, and precise 4-channel or higher radio control for stable handling. Although its unusual appearance may seem intimidating, a well-balanced boomerang delivers smooth, predictable flights and impressive efficiency. It's an ideal project for experienced RC pilots who appreciate rare aviation designs and enjoy flying aircraft that attract attention long before they ever leave the runway. Edgley Optica RC. The Edgley Optica RC is an eye-catching model inspired by one of aviation's most unusual observation aircraft. Its signature bubble cockpit, twin boom tail, and rear-mounted propeller make it instantly recognizable at any flying field. Many RC versions are built from lightweight balsa or foam, feature a wingspan of around 2.3 meters, 4-channel radio control, and brushless electric or glow-powered setups for smooth, scale-like performance. Thanks to its large wing and stable design, it excels at slow, graceful flights that mirror the full-size aircraft's observation role. For RC enthusiasts who appreciate rare aircraft and realistic flying characteristics, the Edgley Optica RC is a unique model that never fails to attract attention.